Hello guys, welcome back to our A&B Tech Bytes channel. Today we discuss how to create this amazing colorful hover effect by using only HTML and CSS. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe and join our A&B Tech Bytes community. Let's not waste our time, let's get into our video.
Firstly, create a folder. I am naming it as hover effect. Now open our Visual Studio, open folder and select our folder hover effect. Now create our HTML and CSS files. So index.html, style.css. Now come to our index.html. I am taking HTML pre-boil it. Now change the title named as hover effect and link our CSS with link tag. Now I am taking a div and giving class outer layer and gradient button. Now take a button tag and name it as hover me. And I am taking two span tags for styling purpose. These all about HTML page. Now go to our CSS page. I am taking our basic CSS, universal, margin 0, padding 0, and give box sizing and border box. Now for I'm taking body and give display flex, justify content center, give align item center and give minimum height 100 VH, and I'm taking background color black. Now take our outlier class and give position relative and give background linear gradient. Now I am giving RGB colors. If you want, you can give any kind of colors. I am taking RGB colors. Now take our gradient button class and give height 80 pixel and give width 230px and give border radius 50px. Now take outer layer class with button and take outer layer span and give position absolute and give top 50% and left 50% and give transform translate minus 50% minus 50%. Now I am taking outer layer button and give background color black and text color white and give border none and outline none and give font size 18 pixel For spacing purpose I am giving letter spacing 2 pixel and give cursor pointer, and finally z index 1. Now take gradient button class with button and give height 70px, give width 220px, give border radius 50px. Now take another class with span outer layers and give height 100%, width 100%, and give background invariant. Now again take outer layer class with span and give border radius 50px and gradient button span, give border radius same 50px. Now take outer layer class with span nth child 1 and give filter blur 10 pixel and another span give outer layer span nth child 2 and give filter blur 16 pixel. For animation purpose I am giving outer layer animation, take name spin 1.5 seconds, linear and infinite, and add our keyframes, giving spin. For 0 pixel take filter, rotate 0 degrees and give 100%, filter, rotate 360 degrees. Now hover effect I am giving outer layer hover and same for span nth child and nth child 2. Now scroll up and in our outer layer copy this background linear gradient and replace with black color. Now scroll down. In animation we have to paste that linear gradient colors. That's it guys, we're done with coding and this is the final output. 1 minute. Yes, this is the final output. The amazing hover effect with done only using HTML and CSS, and we'll see you in next video.